install a new CAT security system on the Prius Gen 2. This is a stainless steel unit that goes frame rail to frame rail. It comes with safety screws, pop rivets, and then you use a couple of other screws that are from the factory design. This thing goes on in 45 minutes to an hour, but it's here and is designed to protect you from the thievery or loss of a catalytic converter, which can be thousands of dollars worth of repair to you. Okay, so we're here putting the CAT security system on. It's a fairly easy install. It's not difficult, but it is very precise. There's one piece that you need to remove for the plastic. Use the factory bolts on the front here, and then we're going to put rivets and the security screws in to each frame rail. So this thing goes from frame rail to frame rail and up to the front cross member, hiding the catalytic converter so they can't get to it. So during install, you have your safety screws and you have your pop rivets on there. The pattern, you have a safety screw, and a safety screw. And you have 2 of the pop rivets in each one of these holes. So 3 screws, 4 pop rivets on each side to secure this thing. Okay, so here you can see we got the CAT security system now installed. Your catalytic converter sits right about here. Your cut point is here and here, but there's no way to get here to cut it off anymore. So now the thing is totally secure. Plus, this thing may even give you a little better gas mileage, plus it'll cut some wind noise, and it does not interfere with maintenance of the vehicle. Okay, so now that the Toyota is all put together and buttoned up, it is safe and secure. You can park this thing pretty much anywhere and not lose your catalytic converter. Oh, and a side note, Toyota's on a national back order for catalytic converters, so you really don't want yours to disappear. So I would suggest getting one of these for your vehicle.